Hello guys, today I have here this little box that it contains a car charger, so I'm really excited to try it. And let's open it. Okay, it's like this. Okay, it's a good size. I really like it because it contains four parts where you can connect your phone. So I think it's like two from one type and the other two from the other type. So I really like it too much. It's black with silver, so I'm going to try it in my car. This you need to put it, I'm going to tell you where, and I really like it, so let's try it. Okay guys, I'm here in my car and I have here the car charger, so I'm going to put it there. And like you can see, it's here a blue light. So I have my cable and the phone, so I'm going to try it in this. Okay, and then I'm going to put it in my phone. And like you can see there, it's already charging.